Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Oldies by Goodies Gen X ATC cards. This week is Elf. And this is Elf. And I put the cat because he always had a thing for the cat. Remember that? And I miss Elf. I wish they would bring Elf back to kids' lives because I thought he was so cool to watch. And they had the cartoon and then the live version kind of thing going on, I remember. And so, no problem, dude. Elf. I used to have the hand puppets. I don't remember what fast food had them. And you could get the hand puppets. And I remember the one, actually Diamond has it because I used to play with it when she was little. And it has a Hawaiian shirt on it. The reason I give it to Diamond is there was a video of my mom actually playing with Diamond while she's in the swing. And I hung on to it for a keepsake. So that's my elf story. So thanks for watching. And yes, that's my cat. If you guys can hear her. Oh my lord. Oreo, what's wrong? What? Oreo. Oh yeah, really? Oh, okay. Oh really? You're so sad and pitiful. You're so sad, pitiful cat. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.